Hello, welcome to Booked Up English. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will learn a letter from the English alphabet. This will get us ready to read in English. Every letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn today's letter. Today's letter is the letter Q. Q says qua, 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 quail. Q says qua, 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 quail. What letter is it? It is letter Q. What does Q say? Q says qua. If you have been following, we use a salt tray to help us learn the letters. You will need salt and a plate or tray. Pause the video if you need to practice writing and saying the letters we learned. Practice writing our letters a few times. Q. Q says qua, 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 quail. Q says qua, 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 quail. B. B says b, 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 bat. B says b, 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 bat. C. C says k, 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 cat. C says k, 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 cat. D. D says d, 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 dog. D says d, 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 dog. F. F says fish. F says fish. G. G says g, 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 goat. G says g, 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 goat. H. H says hippo. H says hippo. J. J says j, 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 jellyfish. J says j, 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 jellyfish. K. K says k, 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 kangaroo. K says k, 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 kangaroo. L. L says oh, 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 ladybug. L says oh, 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 ladybug. M. M says mm, mouse. M says mouse. N. N says newt. N says newt. P. P says panda. P says panda. And today's letter, Q. Q says qua, quail. Q says qua, quail. What letter is it? It is letter Q. What does Q say? Q says qua, quail. What letter is it? What does Q say? Post a video message. Send an audio or video PM. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.